Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on BLACKVIEW Tab 16. You have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now go to Google Assistant and now enter Hey Google and voice match option and now click here to enable Hey Google. Now click next and I agree. Continue. Now click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click finish. And click back. Now click back again. And now go to lock screen and click yes, I'm in. And make sure that this option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Hey Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.